Hello guys, welcome to the Forex and Mood Trading, and this is Imran with you. I'm going to analyze the Nifty for Monday. Okay, let's come on the chart and we'll see what will be the direction and how the Nifty will behave on Monday. Guys, if you will see on the 4-hour time frame, okay, you will see the market went upside and it did the liquidity inducement from which level 261602, okay, and then after, if you will see its last swing lower point, and that is 22,000. Got my point here? This is the point, 22,000. This is a 22,000. Okay, 22,000. So the market is continuously coming downside. Okay, and now it has come 22,923, as I already told in my previous videos. So if you will come on the 30 minutes time frame, guys, what happened in 30-minute time frame? Market did the liquidity sweep at 23,837. You can see that is, you can say retracement, whatever be. From here the market did the liquidity sweep, okay, and then market open gap down and has taken this liquidity. See, this all the buyers get induced from here. So we have a lot of buyers here. So market came here and has taken all the liquidity. Okay, this is the point. Okay, the market has taken the liquidity. Now from here the market went upside. Okay, from this point, and then again did the retracement to this point, that is 23110. Market did the retracement, and you can see the candle is green. The most probably chances the market will go upside on Monday. Okay, if no bad news come through the war that is going on between Iran, US, Israel. Okay, so as what I'm thinking, my prediction is like the market should go upside to fill this gap. Okay, this is the gap down has opened, and this gap has not filled. So the guys, my analysis is market should go upside on Monday. Okay, so if you will go upside, you will see the target like 23180, 23240, okay, and 23280, and 23340, okay, and 23380. This could be the direction, the upside. If the market cross 23380, then it will go to fill the gap, that is like to the point 23735. Got my point? And if market break this support 22920, then the market should come like 22,000. Okay, this is here. First will come 22,280. Okay, 22,280, and then it should come 22,000, because as already I told you, at 4-hour time frame it is a liquidity sweep from the highest point, and its lowest point is 22,000. So mostly what the market did, so if it follow the price action, then it should come at 22,000. Okay, if the bad news or the good news, it will behave according to that. But according to the technically, as I'm telling you, market should behave according to that. Okay, so upside target already told you, this is the important support, guys. This one 22,281. Okay, it will break, then 21 22,000, it should come downside. So here we are. So guys, keep this in your mind, because the market always try to fill the gap. Okay, if the news come, according to the market, then that is positive, then it will go first, it will do the target, like this is all the liquidity. Okay, here the sellers get induced. Okay, here 23,380, and then it should go like 23,735 to fill the gap. So once break this support 22,900, then you will see the targets like downside 22,280 and 22,000. Got my point? This here. So this is the analysis of the Nifty for Monday. So guys, please like, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I post new video, you will get updated. Okay guys, bye, have a nice day.